I get it. You're a Catholic. Why would you want to learn this pagan ritual stuff? Or you're a Muslim. And wouldn't it be awkward to be taught by a Jew? Or you're Native American and don't think I have a right to teach this stuff. Or you're an atheist and what could this spiritual mumbo jumbo possibly have to do with you? Where's the evidence? What's the tangible effect it'll have on your life? Well, sometimes what's most important isn't tangible. It's ephemeral. And sometimes what's most important is pan-cultural or multicultural and exists all over the world in all different cultures. And we can learn from each other. And we can learn the most from each other. At least that's how I see it.